Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am engineer Muhammad Hamid Wazir and you see our YouTube channel CSCA Bannu. Now we will start our course of class 9th. Now first of all our lecture, our topic is Introduction to Physics. Now here in a today lecture we will discuss where actually physics come from. Now you can see on the board the physics world. It come from actually it is a combination of more language which in which a word are combined which make our physics. Now, the first language from which one word is derived, which is physici. Now the second language is Latin, from which one word is come, which is physica. The third language is Greek. From here one word is derived, which is physiki. And third and fourth language is English, from which a word is derived, which is physics. Now actually it is physics is a combination of four different language. Here the word physiki, physica, physiki, physic, all combined together is a whole, or we can discuss this whole word mean knowledge of nature. Actually physics gave us knowledge of nature. Now, the first definition which can create is that the branch of science in which we study about nature is called physics. Now in the first introductory lecture we have discussed actually the physics, from where the physics is come and how many languages from is consist of. Next in the next lecture we will discuss other 6 definition of physics, and we will discuss your book definition. Physics is the branch of science in which we study about matter energy in their mutual relationship, and we will inshallah add 2 pillars, the branch of science in which we study about matter, energy, time and space. Now I hope you will be clear. In subscribe our YouTube channel CSCA Bannu, and hit the bell icon for all the notification which come